Hello, my pottery friends. It's me, Therese Dellenlund. I know it's very difficult for you in different countries to pronounce my name, but it's okay if you if you can't. I understand. But it's Therese Dellenlund. But you can call it Dellenland or Lund. It doesn't matter. I have a package from Amazon. I have a lot of gear pottery forms, but sometimes you want to try something new. And I found a set of flowers. So I'm gonna show you. So be right back. Here I have the package. I have opened it and sneak peeked a little bit, but it's from Origin. I think it's called Origin. And it's a flower forms, wooden forms. It's like MDF or something. They're so pretty. Oh, I'm longing for to get these. I'm sorry, my English is not good, but I'm so excited for these. Oh, I'm gonna lift them up. So pretty. I'm just gonna wrap this up and come back to you. Oh, here they are. They're so pretty. I'm so excited to use these. I'm gonna measure some. I'm gonna write it in inch and in centimeters because we use centimeters here in Sweden. But for my pottery peeps in different countries, I'm gonna write also the inches of them. So stay with me. I'll be back. Now I have measured them and you can see the measurements. This is a small one. I think it's very soft and very good quality because you don't know when you order from Amazon or some other company that you don't know of. But I think they look very sturdy and good. The small one is 4.5 inch and 11.5 centimeters. Next size is 6 inch. The size up 8 inch. I think this would be a good like small trinkets or soap dish. This like a little tea bags or very small trinket. This is like medium plate or like for candles if you want to put some candles on here or something. This is like a small plate, a 10 inch. That's 25 centimeters. I think it's a good size of a plate, smaller plate. And this is the biggest one. It's 12 inch and 30 centimeters. I'm sorry about the light. I have LED lights and they are awful. I need to try to find some other lights because this is not good for the eye health or the brain. So I was thinking maybe I should do some plates. So come join me, do some of them. I don't know if I have rolled out enough of clay, but I will see what we will do. But stay with me. Now I have rolled in some texture here with a rose pattern. And I put some cornstarch on it so it won't stick to the rolling pin. This rolling pin is from Algis Crafts. I think they are in Poland, I think, or Netherlands. I'm not sure, but they have stunning and beautiful rolling pins. I think they leave good impression. My clay is a little stiff, so it's not good to roll when it's too hard. But when it's soft, it's leaving really good imprints. So, friends, I was thinking I have some clay share rim templates. Maybe I should try do one with this template and one without, so you can see the difference. So stay along. And I have cut it out. I forgot to mention it's the size 5-inch. It says you can use it with GR Pottery Farms 3.5 inch. But this is 4.5, but it will be a little smaller rim, but that's okay, it doesn't matter. And I have a foam, like a mattress foam that I have cut out. So I'm gonna press this on, see if I can find the edge here. It's looking good. I'm just gonna press it down real hard and just swiggle around it a bit. Let's see how it goes. Excited. Ooh, really nice. You can see a little bit. You can see the lines of the flower form. But it's making a really nice subtle line. It's not so sharp, so I like that. It's very good. The texture hides it a bit, but that's okay. Really nice. Now I'm gonna try to cut out just with this rim and not with the template, so you can see and what you like the best. Now I have cut out the shape of this form instead of the rim template. So now I'm gonna press this in. I'm gonna make sure it's even on all sides before I press it. It's not gonna give a big rim, just a little bit. Very tiny one. So let's press it hard. So let's see if it would release. Yay! Oh, very nice and subtle. But you can see the shape. It's very smooth and not sharp anywhere. Just a little bit. It's making a very narrow rim if you do like this. So I can put the other one beside, so you can compare two different styles. But I will show you like this. No, the other way, because of the light. I'm sorry. So here I had the only the form, and here I used Clay Share's rim template. It's marigold, size 5-inch. So you can see the difference. I like them both. I can't decide. But what do you think? Who's your favorite? Yeah, I like them, and I like the texture. It's so pretty with the roses. So this will be a very like a trinket plate or trinket dish. This is more like maybe for candles, also trinket dish, but I think it will look good with maybe a soap or something. This is way too shallow for a soap dish, but you can do it if you want to. It doesn't matter. So here you have it. I hope you like this video, so you can try it out if you want to. I think it was this set of flower forms was about $32, I believe. I will link the link to the forms in the description in the description, so you can go find it there. I think I ordered it from Amazon.com, not the Swedish one, so I had to pay some very expensive shipping, but what do you do? If you want something, you pay for it. I've ordered for some time ago, so it took several weeks to get them for me. But if you live in the States, you can get them probably faster than that. So thank you so much for watching, and if you like it, like, subscribe and push the bell so you can get all the notifications when I post something. So thank you, clay huggies. Bye. I just finished everyone. I couldn't help myself because I had clay and it was a little stiff, so I had trouble to imprint the roller, but it's okay. It's a test, but we'll see how it ends up. But here all the sizes. The smallest one. These, they're so nice. This side of the clay was really stiff, so barely any texture on that. You can barely see it. So here are everyone. So tell me what you think. If you like it, would you buy it? And would you think I would try more without texture or something else? Just let me know in the comments. Bye.